Why didn't anyone warn us that we were going to be so attracted to a lion? First of all, the man is uncomfortably gorgeous. His eyeballs make me insecure. If you don't know him, this is Pierre from London, which you'll realize immediately because when he speaks, it's over. His accent is criminal. It's dangerous. But here's the thing, his backstory is just as compelling as his jawline. He grew up in Brixton and studied at Lambda, which is just the Hogwarts for actors. And he's not new to the scene. He was in Krypton, the Underground Railroad, Malcolm X, Rebel Ridge, where the man says an adverb.
What if we just walk away?
Well, now you're starting to talk.
But then I was like, nah.
And has me swooning. In Old, he wrote and performed a song, so he's musical too. Come on. Now Mufasa? Disney knew what they were doing casting that man because that voice
Energized my discovery of the character.
I fear is about to make me feel some type of way about an animal that one should not say out loud. I also love that he's got no scandals, no messy headlines, just a quiet, calm confidence. Mufasa is going to continue making him even more of a household name because in addition to the smoldering looks and velvety voice, he is actually a really talented actor. So don't you fret, as the very hard worker that I am, I will keep a close eye on him, you know, for us. You're welcome.